It's the Mr. Born Waster Show!
Hello, this is a magical hat of solutions. And now, with its help, I will magically solve the waste problem. An incinerator! Voila! Modern waste incineration plants do not emit toxic substances into the air and are completely safe. Therefore, you can place it right in your city. Or outside of the city.
Stop.
Hey, what's happening?
What you're saying is not true. Incinerators don't make waste disappear. They simply transform it into even more hazardous waste and pollution. Air emissions, fly ash, sediment, and other toxic residues contain dioxins and furans, heavy metals, sulfur and nitrogen oxides, and fine particles. They accumulate in soil and water and spread over long distances. Research shows that there is a serious threat to health of people who live near incinerators or consume water and food grown in the surrounding areas.
Thank you for reminding me about health. In order to save it, we need money. And incinerators generate green energy, saving money for the city.
This is only at first glance. In practice, everything is different. Obtaining energy from waste is the most expensive way to produce energy because burning limited resources consumes more energy than is produced. In addition, investment in waste incineration takes money away from developing real renewable energy solutions, such as solar and wind energy.
Oh, geez, don't be such a pessimist. Choose a balloon, come on. Waste incineration plants are workplaces.
But not so much. According to international reports, recycling provides 10 to 20 times more jobs than incineration, and reuse and repair 200 times more.
Pick another balloon. Incineration plants have solved the waste problem in Europe.
Not at all. In recent years, some EU countries have overinvested in incineration capacities. As a result, they are now bound by expensive long-term contracts for 30 to 40 years, with incinerators that require constant flow of waste to operate, with taxpayers paying for local governments' misguided decisions.
Hey, smart guy, then what do we do, huh? Where should the waste go?
There are safer and more effective alternatives that really solve the waste problem, save money and resources, and create new jobs. If you want to learn more, follow the link.
Psst, hey, can I follow it too?